Congratulations on your new Wolf Speed Oven. This quick start was designed to help you with the tools and techniques you need to gain the most benefit from your new appliance. As you will soon discover, your new appliance has unique cooking speed and versatility. Quickly pop popcorn with the touch of a button, or roast an entire chicken in a fraction of the time it would take in a conventional oven. Reheat, keep warm, and create a host of delectable dishes cooked to your exact preference. Let's start by covering some of the basics. The Speed Oven combines the best features and capabilities of convection and microwave ovens. It pairs the efficient heat distribution and browning capabilities of a convection wall oven with the power and speed of a microwave oven. With the assistance of 12 preset modes, the convection and microwave functions will run separately or in tandem. For example, sometimes the microwave alone provides the best results, as with the popcorn or beverage mode. When baking a cake, the convection-only mode will provide the most successful outcome. Alternatively, as with the micro-bake and micro-roast modes, a combination of microwave and convection heat offers the benefit of reduced cooking time while still creating conventional oven results. By gaining an understanding of the cooking method of each unique mode, you can properly select the best option for the dish you are making, as well as the proper cookware to use, and perhaps more importantly, what not to use. Here is a quick overview of proper cookware. For modes using microwaves, select microwave-safe, non-metallic cookware. Modes in this category include popcorn, beverage, reheat, auto-defrost, melt-soften, and of course, microwave. For modes using convection heat, select oven-safe cookware. This includes convection, broil, and keep warm modes. Micro-bake and micro-roast modes use a combination of heating methods. Select oven-safe non-metallic cookware when using these modes. Gourmet mode uses unique methods based on the dish you are making. Please reference your gourmet guide for specific instructions and cookware requirements when using gourmet mode. Included with your Speed Oven is a set of racks and risers, which are to be used with certain modes. Complete instructions on how and when to use the racks and risers can be found in the accompanying mode guide. Before using your Speed Oven for the first time, clean the oven interior, turntable, racks, and risers thoroughly with warm water and a mild detergent. Then rinse and dry all surfaces with a soft cloth. Let's go through some of the specific keys and modes found on the Speed Oven's control panel. Popcorn mode. Prepare snack or regular-size microwave popcorn bags. Select the bag size from the menu. Beverage mode. For reheating beverages or preparing up to 6 cups of hot water. Reheat mode. Detects the moisture and humidity from food as it reheats and automatically adjusts the cook time and power level. Gourmet mode. This feature removes the guesswork for you by selecting the proper cooking mode and temperature based on the food you are preparing. Select a food from the gourmet guide on the control panel and the oven does the rest. Some foods may require additional control panel interaction to achieve the desired doneness. Some gourmet recipes require preheat. Convection mode. This non-microwave mode circulates hot air throughout the oven cavity, browning and crisping foods evenly. Select the desired temperature using the numerical and temperature keys on the right-hand side of the control panel. Let the oven preheat before cooking. Broil mode. Another non-microwave mode, this function utilizes the high-powered quartz broil heating elements on the ceiling of the oven cavity to quickly sear, brown, and caramelize the exterior of your food. Auto-defrost mode. Select the type of item you wish to defrost and the oven adjusts the cooking time and power. Flipping, stirring, and rearranging of food may be required and will be audibly signaled by the oven. Melt and soften mode. For melting butter or chocolate and softening cream cheese or butter, select the desired result from the menu. Keep warm mode. This convection mode circulates hot air to keep food warm for up to 90 minutes. Micro-bake mode. This function combines convection heat with a low percentage of microwave power to expedite the cooking process. Micro-roast mode. Like micro-bake, this mode uses a combination of convection heat with a higher percentage of microwave power to speed up results. Add minute. Add 60 seconds to the existing cook time or timer. With the exception of those foods that cook best by convection cooking alone, most foods are well suited to combination cooking, using either micro-bake or micro-roast. Control lock. By pressing and holding the control lock button, you may disable the control panel. Press and hold again to re-engage. Settings. Adjust various functions, including sounds and temperature units. Power level. Select one of 10 microwave power level presets. Timer and clock. Allows you to set the clock to the correct time of day or set a countdown timer. Start. Begins the cooking process. Stop and clear. Ends the cooking process or timer and clears the existing key entry. Numeric and temperature keys. Use these keys to enter cooking time, desired mode settings, and specific cooking temperatures from 100 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Reference your speed oven's use and care guide and the accompanying gourmet guide for more specification and key sequences. Now that you have insight into the basic features and functions of your speed oven, look for inspiration, recipes, and techniques in the Mastering the Speed Oven Cookbook, available online at subzerowolf.com. Your Wolf speed oven should prove to be problem-free, but remember, if you ever need assistance, the Wolf customer care team located in Madison, Wisconsin is standing by. Here's to years of one delicious meal after another.